I'm Rowena Sommerville, and this is my poem, Big Cats. Owners of big cats have certain civic duties. They are responsible for public safety. Innocent people must be protected from surprising meaty odours and unexpected teeth. Big cats should have their paws buttered to prevent straying, must have their appetites sated, or damage may ensue. Unleashed, unsequestered, they may prowl the streets, ravaging flower beds, howling at Rapunzel casements, insinuating horny claws across vulnerable thresholds, thrusting their broad, wet snouts into unprotected crevices. I am thinking of one such, one careless lady owner, and surely she is to blame. Surely she is culpable. She could have buttered his paws. She could have tied him with a leather strap. She could have shackled him with clanking chains, and then at least the rest of us would hear him coming, and we could turn our backs, as if that might help.